Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady V3 and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus. In this video, we will delve into their features, pricing, and performance to see which one stands out for your mobile videography needs. Whether you're vlogging, capturing TikTok moments, or simply looking for stability in your shots, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady V3 is priced at $129 United States dollars, while the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus is more budget-friendly at $79 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for an affordable option without compromising on quality. The Hohem iSteady V3 boasts advanced features such as a magnetic AI tracker and a built-in extendable rod, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus offers a detachable remote control and an impressive 11-hour battery life, which is ideal for extended filming sessions. Both gimbals have their unique strengths, catering to different user preferences. In terms of portability, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus is designed to be foldable and easy to carry, making it a great choice for travelers. Conversely, the Hohem iSteady V3, while still portable, may not be as compact due to its additional features. If you're often on the go, the X3 SE Plus might be the better option for you. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady V3 and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus offer unique features that cater to different needs. The V3 is more feature-rich, while the X3 SE Plus is budget-friendly and portable. Consider your filming requirements and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.